Hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Blog. Guys, today I am going to speak little bit Hindi, also English, so that you can understand properly how to practice in English. I know most of you are so beginner. So guys, आज मैं आप लोगों को प्रैक्टिस कराने वाला हूँ पास्ट टेंस में. If you are alone and you are craving to learn this language but you don't have any partner, it's okay, no problem, I am here. You just comment me what kind of practice do you want from me. I will provide you, don't worry. Just subscribe my channel, and today I am going to show how I make people understand with this language and how I make them practice. So let me start guys. So today we are going to talk about past tense, because past tense is really very important in order to become fluent in English. So let me start. I am going to speak some Hindi sentences and also in English. Let me tell you how. कल मैं मार्केट गया था. Yesterday I went to market. कल मैं मार्केट नहीं गया था. Yesterday I didn't go to market. क्या कल आप मार्केट गए थे? Did you go to market? Possession. कल मेरे पास पैसे थे. Yesterday I had money. कल मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे. Yesterday I didn't have money. क्या कल तुम्हारे पास पैसे थे? Did you have money? Compulsion. कल मुझे कपड़े धोने पड़े थे. Yesterday I had to wash clothes. कल मुझे कपड़े नहीं धोने पड़े थे. Yesterday I didn't have to wash clothes. क्या कल तुम्हें कपड़े धोने पड़े थे? Did you have to wash clothes? State of being. कल मैं घर पे था. Yesterday I was at home. कल मैं घर पे नहीं था. Yesterday I was not at home. क्या कल आप घर पे थे? Were you at home? कल मेरे कपड़े गंदे थे. Yesterday my clothes were dirty. कल मेरे कपड़े गंदे नहीं थे. Yesterday my clothes were not dirty. Guys, action going on. कल मैं मार्केट में सब्जी खरीद रहा था. Yesterday I was buying vegetables in the market. कल मैं सब्जियां नहीं खरीद रहा था. Yesterday I was not buying vegetables in the market. क्या कल आप मार्केट में सब्जियां खरीद रहे थे? Were you buying vegetables in the market? Action done. कल मेरी मॉम ने खाना बना लिया था मेरे जगने से पहले. Yesterday my mom had cooked food before I woke up. कल मेरी मॉम ने खाना नहीं बना पाया था मेरे जगने से पहले. Yesterday my mom had not cooked food before I woke up. क्या कल आपकी मॉम ने खाना बना लिया था तुम्हारे जगने से पहले? Had your mom cooked food before you woke up? Guys, state of being with time. मैं 2 दिनों से सैड था. I had been sad for 2 days. मैं 2 दिनों से सैड नहीं था. I had not been sad for 2 days. क्या आप 2 दिनों से सैड थे? Had you been sad for 2 days? Action going on. मैं 2 दिनों से आपके बारे में सोच रहा था. I had been thinking about you for 2 days. मैं 2 दिनों से आपके बारे में नहीं सोच रहा था. I had not been thinking about you for 2 days. क्या आप मेरे बारे में 2 दिनों से सोच रहे थे? Had you been thinking about me for 2 days? Guys, possession with time. मेरे पास 2 दिनों से एक कार थी. I had a car for 2 days. मेरे पास 2 दिनों से कोई कार नहीं थी. I had not had a car for 2 days. क्या आपके पास 2 दिनों से कार थी? Had you had a car for 2 days? Guys, I have made you practice in past tense. Of course, if you practice like this, you will never ever forget your structure. I have made you practice in positive way, interrogative way, and also negative way. So guys, this is how I make my student practice. So guys, if you want to learn English from me, of course, you are welcome. Come and know how to become fluent in English. I am telling you guys, I have never ever went to any school and any teacher to become fluent in English. I have become fluent in English by myself, by this method. So guys, of course, don't waste your time. If you feel bored, just come to me. I will teach you. And of course, I will not teach you as a teacher, as a trainer. I will teach you as a friend. And of course, guys, learning English is a piece of cake. But one thing, you have to keep patient and also just be confident. You, of course, you sooner or later you will become fluent speaker, guys. Earlier, do you think that I was able to speak? Now, no, never, even a single word. But see, guys, now I am able to speak. What? Why? Because with the help of my practice, I practice in my basic. Of course, basic is everything. Every magic is hidden in basic. Don't you actually? The thing is that you people don't know what you need. You start sometime you start learning advanced vocab. Sometime you start learning some basic thing, this thing, that thing. Even you don't know your level. That is why you are totally confused. Here, when any student comes to me, I just know uh, his level, and I just know their level. According to their level, I just make them practice. Of course, we need to understand what we need. Otherwise, you are just running here and there. So guys, don't do so, because time is money. Time is so precious. Don't waste your time. Just grab this language, and of course, this language has million doors for you, and this language opens lots of million opportunity for you. And today, of course, there is no doubt, guys, learning English is a piece of cake, because you have mobile, and with the help of mobile you can learn English. So guys, I'm here. I will motivate you, guide you, and make you fluent in English. So thank you so much, guys. If you have liked this video, please subscribe. Bye.